You searched how to buy shares of Geospace Technologies Corp. Geospace Technologies Corp makes seismic data acquisition systems and sensors for geophysical exploration, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GEOS. This video is educational and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy the stock, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. In the platform search bar, type the ticker GEOS to find the listing. Choose the result that clearly matches Geospace Technologies Corp on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you'll see a short company profile and a price chart that tracks recent trades. Confirm the name and the GEOS ticker to ensure it's the correct stock. To invest, tap Invest, enter the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when markets reopen, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. After your order fills, the position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the example platform.